Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ram Queen. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I make this tasty and delicious stir-fried vegetable. Guys, this vegetable is yummy. So I will start by cutting my chicken. I'm going to be using chicken fillets, which is chicken breast. Guys, I'm speaking Netherlands for you guys. Anyway, you understand what I mean. I'm going to be cutting the chicken in big sizes. It depends on how you want to cut yours. So after cutting it, I'm going to be washing it with water and lemon. So this is it, guys. I'm going to be using 1 onion. And I'm using red onions, guys. I love red onion. That aroma that it gives the food. That's what I love inside. I'm also going to be using spring onions and I'll be cutting it in big chunks. I'm going to be using 2 Scotch bonnet peppers. So I have my saucepan on the stove. I like to heat up, then put the oil. So guys, I'm using rapeseed oil. This is what I use. I love rapeseed oil, guys. It's more healthier. I'll allow the oil to heat up for 2 minutes. Now that my oil is hot, I'm going to go ahead and season the chicken. I'll be using 2 tablespoons of jumbo and adobo. I'll also be using Chinese spice. Guys, this Chinese spice, I'm going to put a lot because I love that flavor. I'm going to be combining everything together. So guys, make sure you mix it very well because there's salt in the seasoning. So that's why I don't add more salt. I have enough salt inside here. And if you don't mix it very well, you'll be having too much salt in one side of your chicken. So I'm going to be frying the chicken, guys, on low heat. Make sure you put it on low heat so that your chicken will not roast instead of frying. So I'm going to leave it to cook, but stir it occasionally. guys, this is it. The chicken is ready. I'm just going to transfer it into a bowl and use the same oil to fry the onions. I'll allow the oil to heat up a bit more and add the onions. I will stir and fry for 3 minutes. Then add the chopped pepper. Then add the vegetables and mix it together. I'm going to be adding some yellow chopped bell peppers. I'll also add some soy sauce. I'm going to be adding some prawns into this sauce. Then combine everything together. This aroma, guys. Anyway, it's better for you to come because my mouth alone cannot say it. I'm going to be adding the spring onions as well. So guys, please support your sister, subscribe to my channel, like my video, and leave a comment. Don't forget to leave a comment to let me know how your own sauce tastes. If you follow this recipe, I know you'll get it right. So it's time to add the chicken. Guys, this is the final ingredients that is going inside this yummy and delicious vegetable stir fry. So let's combine everything together. You can use it to eat rice. I'm going to eat mine with rice. So it depends on what you want to use yours for. So this is it, guys. Our vegetable stir fry is ready. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you on my next video. Bye.